Welcome to the E3 DLP tutorial series. In these tutorials, you will be introduced to various components and their usage. In this segment, you will be presented the DLP user interface, arem. Arem, otherwise known as Advanced Remediation Manager, is the user interface for the workflow-based remediation of DLP incidents. For example, emails blocked by DLP, which generate a DLP incident, can be either released or rejected by entering a justification, in which case the email will or will not be sent. arem will be opened in the browser's Firefox, Chrome, or Internet Explorer, after which the login screen appears. When logging in for the first time, you can register yourself using the Create an Account function. arem will send an email containing the initial password, which must be changed upon your first login. You may reset your password using the Reset Password function. This will also generate an email with a new password, which must be changed upon your next login. Here, you must enter your username, typically identical to your email address, and your password. This will take you to the landing page of arem. In the top right corner, you can see which user is logged in. By clicking on the user, you may select Profile or Log Out. In your profile, you can change the language, define your landing page, which is the screen you see after the login. Select if you want to always display matches, or change your password if you are not logged in with single sign-on. Click Save Changes for the changes to be saved. In this example, no changes are made. By clicking on Advanced Remediator in the top left of your screen, you will return to the landing page. The menu on the left can be expanded or collapsed with a click on this icon. To the left, we have different pages that can be selected: All Cases, Email Cases, Web Cases, Discover Cases, a network discovery function to scan file shares and databases, and Endpoint Cases. In this view, you see All Cases. With each view, the columns may differ by characteristic of the incident. In this view, you see a list of all open cases by severity, which is based on the criticality of the incident. Based on the configuration of the automatic grouping plugin, multiple DLP incidents are grouped within one case. This is especially useful with Discover type cases. Discover is the DLP scanning of file shares, SharePoint, and databases, which we will revisit at a later point. Within the Open Cases view, data is presented in the columns Case ID, channel where the case has been detected, the severity of the case, the time and date when the cases were created, the amount of the incidents which has been assigned with the automatic grouping to this case, the status of the case, where you can see if the case has been assigned to someone or not. If the status Ready appears, the case has been assigned to you. By double-clicking on the Ready button, you can view the details of the case and can accept the assignment, after which the status changes from Ready to Assigned. The last column defines which workflow role is applied to this case. On the bottom left, under the list, you can choose how many cases per page you wish to see. On the right side, you can navigate through all pages. We have arrived at the end of this tutorial. In the next arem tutorial, we will explain the detailed view of the various DLP case types, as well as the remediation possibilities with the underlying configurable workflow engine. Further E3 DLP platform release tutorials are updated regularly. More tutorials are available on the E3 webpage. Thank you very much for your attention. Take good care of your data, and goodbye.